taking my truck apart today. Already got the bed off. It's real easy. Just gotta take the gas filler off. You got the ground. And there's another ground that goes into the bottom over here. See if I can show you where it's bended at. Maybe you can see it. Right now, I'm gonna start taking apart all the front. We'll take the fenders, bumper, grill, the hood, and hey, you can tell it's been sitting for a while now. Got some spider webs now on it. I'm gonna be changing it over to this. It's a 4x4 frame. Alright, let's take it apart. Alright, I already got basically all the front off. This is already ready to come apart now. I just gotta drain out the freon, the AC, and disconnect the transmission cooler. And it's ready to come out. And I'll make some room in here to put it in and start taking I'm gonna take the cab off first. I gotta figure out how to do it first, and do the engine last. Looking good, pretty good.